What the fuck is that, YouTube? The fuck is y'all doing? What the fuck is poppin'? Cause the party ain't stopping. What the fuck? Bitch, hey, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. It's me, the kid. I win, you lose. Ah! Oh, this fucking bag over here just moved, dude. And I was trying to make sure, like, I don't feel like I hit this that hard where that thing was shake like that. Today we're going to be motherfucking cooking. We're going to be cooking some motherfucking shit. I'm going to be teaching y'all how to cook broke ass, vegetarian, Alfredo. This is for all of you college students that barely got money, people that don't have money in general, like y'all not no college students or nothing. These are for y'all bum ass niggas that won't go get a job. These are for y'all niggas that be scamming and flexing and y'all forgot to buy groceries. If you low on your money, your rent is due, and it's rent or food, this is what you need. Number one, get you some motherfucking feta. Fettuccine. Italian fettuccine. Fettuccine. Y'all know what the fuck it is? Some other fucking motherfucking classic Alfredo sauce. Get you two because you might need two because it's never saucy enough. Okay guys, so you get you a little bowl. Take my little bowl. You get you a bowl. What is this called? A pot. You get yourself a pot. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put some water in it. But this shirt is one of the designs for my upcoming fucking clothing line. It will arrive August 29th, so we're gonna look out for that. Cop the shirts. You know the shirts are only gonna be a good ranging between $25 and $35, you know. Nothing major. For some custom art on a shirt. Baby! 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 You better get you some! Okay, so we're just gonna put you some, you know, some water, like, okay. And then, what I like to do, because I'm impatient as fuck, I go to the eye that has the most fucking heat. The most one, they got the most fucking flames, that's the one I go to, because I'm impatient, I don't give a fuck if it's burnt. Well, no, I do care if it's burnt, but you know, when stuff get burnt, y'all, it's like all you need to do is throw some barbecue sauce on it. Some Sweet Baby Ray will clear that shit right the fuck up. When it's burnt, y'all better throw some Sweet Baby Ray. Okay, so my bowl isn't big enough, so you're gonna go like this and break them in half. You're gonna break them in half. I'm probably gonna make all these noodles just for the simple fact of I'm only cooking for the purpose of y'all, because I'm really bad. Like, y'all, I used to cook all the time when I was little. Like, I used to be a cooking machine. Now I be too fucking lazy, and that's crazy, y'all, because I'm very picky and I'm eating healthy now and I'm kind of on a diet. So it's like certain shit I can't eat Yet, I still won't cook. Like, I'll just be starving. Like, ain't that crazy? Don't y'all think that's crazy? Somebody tell me that's crazy. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take you some motherfucking salt. Oh, wait. I should've did this beforehand. Oh, well. Bitch, that's some hot ass shit. You're gonna take you some motherfucking grease. You're gonna put you a little grease in here. That's so like your noodles don't stick, okay? So if you was wondering why you put the grease in there, and so the noodles don't stick. If you're like me and you're lazy as fuck and you see that your eye has grease on it and it's kind of like setting fire, you know, don't worry about it until you see like a giant flame. If it bursts, then that's when you call 911. You throw some water on it. I don't know, throw a towel on it or something. Supposed to do some shit like that. But it's okay if you smell a little bit of burning, like a little bit of burning. Okay, just like a little bit. If it smell like, you know, like hair on fire, it'll go away. Due time. While we're waiting for the noodles, what we're gonna do is if you're like me and you don't have shit in your house to eat or to add into this, you have two options. You can just find little shit around the house to throw in your food, or you can do it the Roman way and season the fuck out of your sauce. Put the sauce on the fucking noodles and you eat that shit. You eat that shit. You're gonna eat that shit, baby. And you eat all the motherfucking snacks until the food done.
Pull up with a lot of bodies, don't forget the addies. When I run up in the town, I ain't chitty chatty. Got some real pretty titties that come with the body. Too much money, I ain't never need a sugar daddy.
I'm sorry, but food gets me high. What you want to do is make sure your noodles, like another way you can make sure your noodles don't stick. It's like mix them up, you know. Mix them head first. Mix them motherfuckers up. Mix them motherfuckers up. I said mix them motherfuckers up. I said mix the motherfuckers up. Mix your fucking noodles up. Oh. And then you're gonna get your handy dandy strainer. Be careful, it's hot. It's hot. Shit, this shit hot. Shit, the fucking handle's hot. The fuck you got handles if you're gonna be hot? Now be careful, guys. Be careful. All right, this some hot ass shit. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, it's splashing. Whoa! We got the hot ass noodles. We got the noodles. The bitch is hot as fuck. We got the noodles. We got the noodles. Ah! Hot as fuck. We got the noodles. Ah! Hot as fuck. We got the noodles. Ah! Hot as fuck. We got the na 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 na. We got the noodles. We got the noodles. Noodles got the noodles. We got the noodles. We got the noodles up in this bitch. We playing no games. We got the fucking Alfredo with no chicken, baby. We don't eat the meat. That shit don't get me geeked. I'm in this fucking kitchen and I'm ripping this fucking beat. You can't hear my beat because it's in my fucking head. You know that's my man's. She ate it from the bins. In the back of the bins with the lens and the motherfucking Coke cans. Just the other day I was making Fritos. We got the fucking noodles. You want to get your fucking Alfredos? Get your fucking Alfredo. You want to pour so y'all can see this creaminess. You gonna pour your Alfredo all over them naked. bare. Hot and ready noodles. This is taking me places, guys. You want to mix it up? Mix it up. You're gonna mix it. You're gonna mix it up. I feel like that's enough Alfredo sauce. It can be enough Alfredo sauce and you let it go. If you want a little bit or more, fucking Alfredo. You're gonna pour a little bit more up in there. You're gonna get your motherfucking Alfredo. You're gonna mix that hoe the fuck up. After it's all covered, you're gonna put it back on the stove. Get you some salt. You're gonna get you some pepper. You're going to just, you know, sprinkle you some fucking pepper in there. Sprinkle you some fucking pepper. You know how much pepper to use. I just be eyeballing it, you know? It's a mystery. You never know. Cause sometimes it can come out too saucy. Sometimes it can come out too peppery, girl. But listen, you don't have to eat it. You're gonna mix it up. Make sure that you knock the cream off your spoon, baby. Cause it's a mess. Delicious. If you're like me and you decided to cook chicken Alfredo or Alfredo, veggie Alfredo, and you know you don't have anything else because you're poor. Not saying I'm poor, but I just remembered it. That's what I said in the beginning of the video. So if you could not figure out anything else to put in your Alfredo, or you're like me and you just cooked Alfredo and remember that you didn't have shit else to put in the Alfredo, you know, you can just scrap the bitch and make you some noodles. Use some nice top ramen noodles, chicken flavored noodles, or beef, or shrimp. You know, whatever you like. I like the chicken. Get you some chicken noodles, pop it in a bowl, put it in a bowl, put some water in it, put it in the microwave for 4-5 minutes. This just in case you don't feel like using your stove again because you just wasted all that time making that fucking Alfredo. Put it in the bowl, put the bowl in a motherfucking microwave, and put your chicken noodles in the microwave for 4 minutes. You let it sit in there for a minute. You don't want your noodles too soft, but you don't want your noodles too hard. You get it at the right amount of succulent noodles, and you put some hot sauce on it. You mix it up. You put the seasoning, because it comes with seasoning inside. You put the seasoning in there. Put your hot sauce, mix it up. You got you a meal. You got you a dinner. You're not hungry. So, thanks guys for watching. This was just like a test run. Like, you know, I was just being irritated because I just wanted to record this video, and I feel like I never recorded in the kitchen. So. Okay, so the next time I make something about some cooking shit, I will make sure to actually have some shit to cook. Sorry guys. I mean, y'all know the fucking drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like what you talking about. I shouldn't have to say nothing else. Y'all know what the fuck it is. Y'all know what the fuck it is. But no, for real, y'all. Bye. Let me go make my noodles.